Okay, welcome to this lesson number 1, Information Technology 1. The course coverage uh, of Information Technology 1, lesson number 1 is first part. We're going to deal with is introduction of computer, and the second part is about the components of computer, and the last part is about the application of computer. Okay, have you seen anywhere this kind of phone or any smartphone? If you have seen, all those are kind of computers. So are those which you are going to deal with? They are all with we call it portable computer. And then when we turn back in tablet also is one of the our subject study. So have you seen anywhere? How about this tablet? Have you seen anywhere any kind of tablet or not? So for this case, so all these parts are computer. Now, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that capable to process, store, retrieve, and exchange data or information. How it exchange or retrieve data process? Now we can see it or use it for different purposes such as in typing, data processing. We enter data in computer for different activities. So anyone you type once you type assignment, or you type you create a project. So you create what you do is a data processing. So all in all process or activity take place within what? Within the computer. That's the what? Computer. And the second part in the second issue is about the computer component. Computer component either divided into two categories, that is the hardware and software. Now soon we're going to see about what is hardware and software. Within the computer, so to operate should consist of those two components, hardware and software. Let us see now about the hardware. When we talk about hardware, we talk about the tangible materials, or refer to the physical part of the computers. When we talk about the physical part of the computer, we talk about the materials which can be touched. This is also called equipment of the computer. For example, mouse, keyboard, central processing unit or CPU, and monitor. Mouse and keyboard. Keyboard is the button which support entries of data within the computer. CPU, we call it, is a brain of the computer, and the monitor is the site where displaying for data which you enter. Those are, as you see, there is a CPU, central processing unit, mouse, monitor for displaying, and the keyboard for entries of data as a pattern. Let us turn back now to see about the software, that is a set of instructions that tell the computer hardware how to perform a task. For example, we have a window or operating system. We have different browsers like Google Chrome. We have Adobe Photoshop. Also, we have Mozilla Firefox. All these are kind of the software which support you to propagate or to operate the hardware. So it's impossible to watch or to open a kind of computer which you have. It can be your phone or a tablet or even personal computer that is known as PC famous. So software like this Google Chrome is supportive for watching or for searching material or browsing material, as well as Mozilla Firefox. And also Adobe Photoshop is one of the software which supports the user or a designer to create different things or materials. So all these are software which support and provide interactive interface to the user. And also without this software, it is impossible to propagate with your computer. For example, Google Chrome. All these Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Adobe Photoshop, all these are software, but different companies. So all these are kind of that software. And also, in computer, it consists of a lot of applications. So the first application of these computers, or any kind of computers, is special. In case of education, and education facilitates teaching and learning process. Teacher use computer and project material so to improve it process of teaching and learning due to fact that application of cognitive multimedia theory that deal with two channel, that is auditory and also visual. So it promotes all this, it facilitate teaching and learning process to the learners. And also we can turn back now to see in health or in hospital as one of the site of application of computer in hospital. Health, for health checkup, we can use it for scanning or for checking health. For example, if there is a damage within the body, or if there is a normal condition within the body, so through computers can display provide information after investigation or examination of the body whether it's damage. And also it can be used in interest for data, for example, or health ID, health identification card, for example NHIF. It involves the interest for data into the computer and preserved online. Also another part of the third application in business. Computer internet become popular marketing tool. For example, person can purchase goods through internet. There are a lot of goods online. For example, can buy anything, for example antivirus software. So through computer it promotes the existence of the business online. So this is one of the application of computer. Okay, furthermore we can deal with it on the next session. This is lesson 2. Furthermore, we're going to dig more about the computer. This is the end of the session 1. Let's come together on the session or lesson 2. Thank you.